Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Prime Video on Roku using Amazon login, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Prime Video on Roku using your Amazon login, first, ensure your Roku device is powered on and connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen of your Roku device using the remote. Using the remote, scroll down to find and select the Streaming Channels option. In the Streaming Channels menu, choose Search Channels. Type Prime Video into the search bar, then select the Prime Video app from the search results. Click the Add Channel button to install the Prime Video app on your Roku. Once the app is installed, return to the home screen and find the Prime Video icon. Select the Prime Video app to open it. You will be prompted to sign in or create an Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, select the Sign In option. You will see a message displaying a code along with a URL for activation. Take note of the code displayed on your screen. Using a web browser on your computer or mobile device, visit the Amazon activation page at amazon.com/mytv. Sign in to your Amazon account if prompted. Enter the code you noted from your Roku screen into the provided field. Click the Continue button to proceed. Once your device is successfully linked, return to your Roku. The Prime Video app will now be authorized, and you can start streaming content. If prompted, browse through the Prime Video library to enjoy your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.